Hello, it is I. Sorry for my notes. I want to be silly. But hello. We were going to be in a tent, but then we heard it was going to have thunderstorms, but it still hasn't. So we kind of sort of just we had to find the microphone. This one. So what we had to do, so we had to sneak back into the house. Like it's like what time is it? It's I don't think they can hear you. They can't hear you. Last time you were talking, they can't hear you.
Oh yeah, so yeah, we just had to sneak in because my mom didn't want us to stay out here. We wanted like this extra area, kind of like beach, kind of not. I mean, like kind of like pool house. It's not really a pool house. We have this kind of like an above ground pool, and we had to sneak in because we forgot this mask. If you check out my, people know what my face looks like, but I hide my face on my TikTok. So I was gonna get this mask and a hoodie, and we had to get a blanket. Or no, we went for the mic for you can make videos and this mainly. But we grabbed an extra blanket because we tried to make an excuse for. That took at least an hour to plan that out just to get this and a mic and this. So it was stressful though.
Yeah, when I went in the living room to get the blanket, like as soon as I turned into the living room, I thought we were good. And then after I got the blanket and set it outside, I was waiting for Jack to be done. Then I heard Scooter bark, which is his dog. So I ran back in to see if he was fine. He already thought I ran because I kept saying, if I hear Scooter, I'm going to run. But I didn't run because
I didn't. What was he? He ran to the door like he heard something.
a car pull up.
Well, I mean that's what he does when a car pulls up.
Well, a car didn't pull up. But yeah, now that we got the mic and his mask. Well, just one weird one. Okay, where's your iPod? I'm going to show them. Where's your iPod? What have you done? Oh, you actually did.
Actually did.
Okay. So I'm going. It was kind of fun, but kind of scary. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up, and then. Okay, can you please hold it up to the microphone?
That's so loud for them. What are you doing?
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
You gotta hold the microphone up.
So this.
No, don't show them. I'm gonna do it right now.
Ah.
Okay, so you gotta hold it up to the microphone at full blast.
When you're ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do that. It's not very hard, actually. But do you want to make a video at 3 a.m.? 1 o'clock. Do you want to? Yeah, that'd be cool. So we might make another video at 3 a.m. Yeah.
My sound isn't available. Lost on my sound.
But yeah. What?
I forgot about that. I didn't make more stuff like that.
Well, if you're gonna use your mask, we gotta figure out how to turn out the lights.
I want to do. I don't know how I accidentally did that.
What?
Look, if I
Sorry.
I can't do it again. I tried to do it like this head nod thing that I did on accident. That I've been trying to do, but I can't do it.
Like
Watch.
that?
Watch. That. I can't do that. I went like I can't do it. It looks weird. I just all I do is go. And I went like I kind of shook my head. I can't do it.
So you were like, okay, I can't do it either. But we're gonna be making another video at 3 a.m. For us, it's like 3 or 4 minutes before it's 1 in the morning. We've almost reached we've almost reached Saturday. It's almost Saturday. We only have like 3 or 4 minutes
OMG.
and then it's Saturday. Wait, 12 o'clock. Oh, we've already reached Saturday. 12 o'clock is Saturday. Well, it's Saturday, actually. Well, we're going to post again at 3 a.m.
This is dumb.
Let me.
I just turned around and went this. You can't. Oh, because my phone. Oh, hi.
Yeah. But, yeah, we're going to be making one at 3 a.m. Like, subscribe, and leave some stuff in the comments for future video ideas, I guess.
I hate the background audio. I was like,
Okay, so bye.